morning student. Today we are going to discuss chapter 14 factorization exercise 14.2 question number 1 first part question number 4 first part of question number 4 है a square a power 4 minus b power 4. We need to factorize in this question 4 है factorize a power 4 minus b power 4. So for this, how can we factorize it a power 4 minus b power 4? So you know very well a square minus b square, this is equal to what? This is equal to, you can write this is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Okay, now so you can write a square minus b square is equal to a plus b minus a minus b. Clear? Also you know very well the law of exponent. If you have a to the power m whole power n, then you can write here a to the power m into n. This is clear? Or you can write it a to the power mn. Okay, so here you have a to the power 4. A to the power 4 means what? A to the power 4, this is equal to, you can write it a square power 2. Okay, so also you can write it a to the power 2 into 2. This is equal to again this. Clear? So it means that you can write a to the power 4 is equal to, you can write a to the power 4 is equal to a power 2 whole power 2. This is clear? Now next is b to the power 4. So b to the power 4, this is equal to what? You can write it, this is equal to b square whole power 2. Okay, so in this identity a square minus b square, this is a difference of 2 square. This is equal to sum of the numbers and difference of the numbers, or you can say a square minus b square is equal to a plus b minus a minus b, a plus b into a minus b. Okay, so similarly you can solve this question. You can write it as it is, like a square whole power 2 minus b square whole power 2. Okay, so you can either direct factorize, or if you face any problem here, so you can take a square is equal to x and b square is equal to y. After this you can solve easily. So let a square is equal to x, b square is equal to y. Okay, if you take a square is equal to x, so it's this is equal to a square is equal to x, so this is equal to x square minus b square is equal to, we let y, so this is equal to what? This is equal to y square. So here you can see this is a difference of 2 squares. x square minus y square is equal to what? This is difference of 2 square. So you can write it. What is the difference of 2 square? Difference of 2 square is equal to sum of the numbers into subtract of the numbers. So you can write it, sum of the number means x plus y, this is sum of the number, into difference of the number x minus y, where x is greater than y. Clear? When x is greater than y, then this is possible. Okay, and now so you can find the factorization of a power 4 minus b power 4. So this is equal to what? This is equal to, what is the x here? x is equal to we let a square and again y is equal to we let b square. So you can put the value of x and y here. Then you can write a square plus b square b square into here x minus y. This is x plus y. Please replace x by a square and y b by y by b square, and here plus we write as it is here x minus y. So we here also we replace x by y, a square right here a square minus this is y. So we replace y by b square. So you can write a square minus b square because we let here x is equal to a square and y is equal to b square. So I think all of you understood at this step. So here you can see we have a square plus b square, so you can't find its factors. But the second part, you can see a square minus b square, we can find its factors because this is a form of third advantage. Third advantage is difference of 2 square. Difference of 2 square is what? Difference of 2 square is equal to sum of the numbers into difference of the numbers. Okay. So we write a square plus b square as it is into, we can factorize this a square minus b square. So you can write it a plus b sum of the numbers into a minus b difference of the numbers. So here you can see we find the factors of a power 4 minus b power 4. This is equal to a square plus b square into a plus b into a minus b. This is a factor of a square a power 4 minus b power 4. So here we find the factor of a power 4 minus b power 4 using some substitution methods, or we let here you can see a square is equal to x and b square is equal to y. Also you can find the factor of a square a power 4 minus b power 4 by direct method without without let any other variables. Okay, so let's see how we find the direct. Here you can see this is a difference of 2 square, first square, second square. This is difference of 2 square according to third identity. Okay, according to third identity we can write it sum of the number into difference of the number. So sum of the number this is equal to a square plus b square. Okay, first number, second number into difference of the number a square minus b squares. Okay, now so here you can see we obtain here a square plus b square into minus a square minus b square. Okay, so a square plus b square we write as it is because we can't find its factors. But a square minus b square you can find factor because this is a form of third identities. What is the third identity? Third identity is a difference of 2 squares. This is equal to sum of square into difference of sum of the number into difference of the numbers. Okay, so we can write here, we can't find the factor of a square plus b square, so we can write here a square plus b square as it is into, but we can find the factor of this part a square minus b square. This is equal to what? This is equal to a sum of and difference of. Okay, so here we write a sum of the number a plus b into difference of the number a minus b. So here you can see we find the factor of a to the power 4 minus b to the power of 4. Okay, so this is equal to what? This is equal to, we can write here, we find the factor of a to the power 4 minus b to the power 4. This is equal to a square plus b square into a plus b into a minus b. So here we use the third identity. What is the third identity? Third identity is here x square minus y square is equal to x plus y and x minus y. This identity is here, and here in these steps we use the law of exponent. What is the law of exponent? A to the power m. The law of exponent is a to the power m whole power n. This is equal to, you can write a to the power m into n, or you can write it a to the power m. Clear? Similarly, you can write it a to the power m n is equal to a to the power m whole power n. This identity law of exponent we used here. We can write a to the power 4 is equal to a to the power 4. You can write like this: a to the power 4 is equal to a to the power 2 into 2. Okay. So according to this law of exponent, you can also write a square whole power 2. Similarly, b power 4, this is equal to b power 2 into 2, and according to this law of exponent, you can write it b power 2 whole power 2. So according to this, you can write it. So I hope all of you understood these questions. The first question of 4, first part is that find the factorization of a power 4 minus b power 4. So you can see, you find the factors of a power 4 minus b power 4. This is equal to a square plus b square into a plus b into a minus b. Now we are going to discuss the second part of question number 4. We need to also find the factors of b power 4 minus 81. Okay, so let's see b power 4 minus 81. This is second part of question number 4. Now in this second part, this is second part of this question 4. We need to find also the factors of this part. This is given p power 4 minus 81s. Okay. So also you can write it p power 4. 18 is what? P power 4 you can write p square into p square. P power 4 you can write it p square into p square. P power 4 is equal to p power 2 into 2. So here you can write p power 4 is equal to what? P power 4 is equal to p to the power 2 into 2. Also you can write it p square whole power this, because according to the law of exponent, if a to the power m into n, you can write it a to the power m into n. This is equal to a to the power m whole power n. Okay. So we use this law of exponent and write here. And 81, what is 81? 81 is the square of 9. You can write 81 is equal to 9 into 9. This is equal to square of 9. Okay. Because you know the law of exponent, a to the power m into a to the power n. This is equal to what? A to the power m plus n. Because here you can see the base are same, then power will add. So here also you can see 9 power 1, nothing but you can say 1. 9 power 1 into 9 power 1, this is equal to 9 power 1 plus 1, this is equal to 9 power 2. So you can write it like this. P power 4, you can write it square of p whole square minus 81. We can write 81. This is equal to 9 power 2. Clear? 81 is equal to 9 power 2. So here you can see what you observe here. You observe here that this is a form of difference of 2 square. So what is the difference of 2 square? Difference of 2 square is equal to what? Difference of 2 square is equal to sum of the numbers into difference of the numbers. So also you can write it, the number here p square and 9. So this is equal to, you can write it p square plus 9. This is sum of the numbers into p square minus 9. This is difference of the numbers. Okay. So here we can also write it p square 9, p square plus 9. We write as it is into, but p square 9. 9 is what? 9 is the form square of 3. What is 9? 9 is the square of 3. 9 is the square of 3. Clear? P square plus 9 into p square minus square of 3. So here we can't find the factors. We can't do the factors of p square plus 9, but we find the factors of p square 9, because this 9 is the form of 3 square. So it's become p square minus square of 3. So again you can observe here, this is a form of difference of 2 square. This is equal to what? Difference of 2 square is equal to sum of the number into difference of the numbers. Okay, so here we write p square plus 9, p square plus 9 as it is, okay, into here p square minus 3 square. So first write sum of the number means p plus 3, okay, into difference of the number p minus 3, clear? So here you can see we find the factor of p power 4 minus 81. This is equal to p square plus 9 into p plus 9 into p plus 3 into p minus 3. Here you can see we find the factor of the p power 4 minus 81. This is equal to p square plus 9 into p plus 3 into p minus 3. Also we can use, if you use the first part of question number 4 as a formula, then you can solve so easily. Okay, so let's see how can solve by using the part 1 as a formula. Okay, so what is the part 1? Part 1 of this question number 4 is given here a to the power 4, a to the power 4 minus b to the power 4 in general, if the power 4 in general, so a to the power 4 minus b to the power 4. So you can we find the factor of a to the power 4 into b minus b to the power 4. This is equal to a square plus b square into a plus b into a minus b. Here we find the factors of this. So also we can write the given expression in this forms, a power 4 and minus b power 4. So how can we write? You know very well 81 is the form of product of 4 times of 3. Means you can write 81 is equal to 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So 3 1 is 3, 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27, 27 3 is 81. So here you can see the power of 3 is nothing but 1. Okay, so you know very well, if the base are same then power will 8. So also you can write it 3 power 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 4 times. You can write it 3 power 4. It means that 81 becomes 3 power 4. Okay, so we write here p power 4 as it is minus 81 become 3 power 4. Okay, so you can see here the first part of this question, a power 4 minus b power 4 is equal to a square plus b square into a plus b into a minus b. Okay, so according to this formula, we can also write this is equal to a square means p square plus b square means 3 square, okay, into a plus b, this is a, this is b, so p plus 3 into a minus b, this is a, this is b, here a is p and b is 3, so we write here p minus 3. Clear? So you can write here p power 4 minus 3 power 4, this is equal to p square, we write as it is, but 3 square is 3 into 3, this is equal to 9. 3 square is 3 into 3, this is equal to 9, and the next bracket p plus 3 write as it is, p plus 3 into p minus 3. Again we write it as it is. So here you can see we find the factors of p power 4 minus 81. This is equal to p square plus 9 into p plus 3 into p minus 3. So Also, we take here the first part, a power 4 minus b power 4, which is equal to a square plus b square into a plus b into a minus b. So you can write here very easily that you can write here p power 4 minus 81. This is equal to p square plus 9 plus p plus 3 into p minus 3. Clear? So student, I hope all of you understood this part. How can we find the factor of p power 4 minus 81 with the help of third entities and law of exponent a to the power m whole power n, or you can take here the first parts, a power 4 5 minus b power 4. This is equal to a square plus b square into a plus b into a minus b. Now, so we are going to discuss next part of question number 4. It is third part. Also find the factors of third part. Third part is that x power 4 minus y plus z to the power 4. Okay, so let's see how to find the third part, factor of third parts. Okay, which is equal to given x power 4 minus x plus y plus z power 4. So let's see what has been third part of question number 4. This is given here. Third part of question number 4, x power 4 minus y plus z power 4. Okay, y plus z power 4. This is equal to what? This is equal to, you can say here, both power 4s. Okay, so first we let y plus z power 4. But as you know very well, in first part you can find the factor of a power 4 minus b power 4. This is equal to what? A square plus b square into a plus b into a minus b. Okay, so we use this formula to find the factor of these parts. Okay, because here you can see this is a part of y plus z. So here we take y plus z is equal to what? We take y plus z is equal to t. Okay, we take y plus z. Let here we let for your convenience we let here y plus z is equal to t. So this becomes x power 4 minus p power 4. This is clear. This becomes x power 4 minus p power 4. If you take y plus z is equal to t. Clear? Now, if you use these identities, you can solve this part so easy. Okay. So if you use this part is equal to, you can write it x square plus t square. Okay, because here we write a power 4 minus b power 4. This is equal to a square plus b square into a plus b into a minus b. If you use this part, also you can write this is x is a, t is b. So you write x square plus t square into x plus t into x minus t. Clear? Now, but what is the x? What is the t? We let t is y plus z. Okay, so you can write here what is t? T is y plus z. So we write here x square as it is, but we replace t by y plus z. So it's become y plus whole square of y plus z. Clear? Now here again x, but plus this is plus t. So again we know we replace t y plus z because we let t is equal to y plus z. So it becomes y plus z. This is a t, and again here x minus t. Again you can see what is t? T is the y plus z. Clear? Now in this bracket x square we write as it is plus here whole square of y plus z. So use first identity and you can break this. So what is the first identity? First identity is whole square of a plus b is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay. So also we can write here y square plus z square plus 2yz. This becomes y square plus z square plus 2yz. Clear now? Here if you open the bracket, it's you can write it x plus y plus z. In third bracket, when you open this bracket, z becomes y minus and also z becomes minus. Okay. So because this is minus, effect on this plus and this plus. So it becomes x minus y minus z. Clear? So you can see here we find the factor of x power 4 minus y plus z power 4. This is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2yz into x plus y plus z into x minus y minus z. Clear? So here you can see, I hope all of you understood how to find a difference of two numbers whose power is 4 or above given. Okay. Now we are going to discuss next part. Fourth part also is the same as three part. Okay. So let's see what is the fourth part of question number 4. Question number 4 have fourth part of question number 4 have x power 4 minus x minus z power of 4. So let's see how to find the factors of this part of 4. So here this is given the fourth part of question 4, x power 4 minus x power 4 minus x minus z power 4. This is given here. So also we let here x minus z power 4 is equal to t. So let x minus z is equal to t. So this becomes the given expression becomes x power 4 minus t power 4. So you can write it x square plus t square into x plus t into x minus t. Because you know very well the first part. What is the first part? First part is that here a power 4 minus b power 4. This is equal to a square plus b square into a plus b into a minus b. Clear? So according to this formula, you use here a power x power 4 minus t power 4. This is equal to x square plus t square x plus t into x minus t. But here what is x? X is a and t is b. Okay. So but the x is right. We write as it is. Yes, we write as it is x square, but t square is t is y minus z. T is x minus z. T is we replace t here. X minus z. X minus z. So it's become square of x minus z into here x plus t x minus z. You can write here x minus z. Clear? Now this part here x minus t. So also you can write it t x minus z. Clear? When you open this bracket, this is the form of a square minus b whole square of a minus b. This is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So according to the second identity, you can also express this a whole square of x minus z. This is equal to s square plus z square minus 2x z. Okay? So you can write it x square plus z square minus 2x z. Okay, now here it is become x plus x. This is equal to 2x minus z. But here, if you open this bracket, it become minus. This become plus. So x minus x is 0. Here we have here only z. Clear? So here you can see we first write z here, and here in this bracket x square plus x square. This becomes 2x square plus z square minus 2x z into here 2x minus z. Okay, so in this way you can see find the factors of x power 4 minus x minus z power 4. So student, I hope all of you understood this question. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind.